looking for a couple bucks, having a game for what it's worth. Through the fire and the chains, we're gonna get the life out of this.